My viewers, look at the rain. Look at the rain in Luton. Look at the rain. Look at that, kids still playing out there. There's kids on the AstroTurf playing football same way. Yeah, there's kids still out there playing football. Rain in Luton. Take a look, my viewers, take a look at the rain in Luton. I was just watching the news a while ago, some places flooding out. So it's like the whole of England is rain. Let me know where you is. Today is Thursday. Look at the pool of water. So this is Thursday evening in Luton. Rain, rain, rain. So all we have is just rain. All we have is just rain. This person walking in the rain ago out his car. Wow. Lots of rain. That's all I can say, just rain. That's all it is. Just rain. By the time I go into church and come back out, it should stop falling. Let me see. Otherwise, I will do another video on my way home. So I'm going into church for prayer meeting. So yeah, I'm going prayer meeting, so I'm just videoing my way to show you the rain that we're getting. I've got to use my umbrella to go into church. So this is Dominic Square Shopping Center. And over there, there's church over there where I'm going. My viewers, I went into church for 1 hour, come back out, and the rain is still falling same way. This rain been falling now for at least an hour before me leave my house. This rain start, and it's still falling. So I'm heading back home now. I'm heading back home now. So, wow, it's coming down. It's coming down, my viewers, it's coming down. Wow. It is coming down. It is coming down. This rain, I don't know if it's gonna fall all night, but when I watch 6 o'clock news, some part of the country been flooding. There's a lot of rain been falling. What's so much car come from out here? Must have something in the mass. Oh yeah, the mass is on. Oh. Rain in Luton. That's all I can say. We're getting a lot of rain. Look at this pool of water. Pool of water. Pool of water. The rain really decided to fall today. The rain really decided to fall today, boy. I mean, like, you give me a chance to come in and like it because so my viewers, thank you for following me so far. Remember to like and share.